The one that waits until you're halfway through a project. Or right after you post something online. Or even just as you're about to try something new. And it whispers or sometimes yells, "Who do you think you are? You're not good enough for this." Sound familiar? Yeah, I thought so. Because here's the thing, that voice is a liar. And not even a good one. It's like that one friend who insists they can predict the weather by looking at their horoscope. Entertaining, but not exactly reliable. So why does this happen? Why do so many of us feel like we're permanently stuck in the not good enough zone? Well, first off, congratulations, you're human. This isn't some unique flaw you've been cursed with. It's literally how our brains are wired. Back in the caveman days, being overly self-critical was a survival tactic. If you thought, maybe that saber-toothed tiger won't eat me, you didn't last long. But now, there are no tigers unless you count your boss on a Monday morning. But our brains haven't gotten the memo. Here's the core issue. We're comparing our behind the scenes to everyone else's highlight reel. Social media? That's not real life. That's the curated, filtered. I only post when I look like a glistening goddess version of reality. And when we stack our messy, unfinished, I just ate an entire pizza in my sweatpants selves against that. Of course we feel inadequate. But here's the secret, everyone feels this way sometimes. Even that one person you think has it all together? Yeah, they've probably cried over a burnt piece of toast at AM. So how do we shut down this not good enough nonsense? Step 1. Catch the voice in the act. Next time it says, "You're failing at life," ask yourself, would I say this to my best friend? If the answer is no, and it better be no, unless you're a terrible friend, then why are you saying it to yourself? Treat yourself like someone you actually like. Step 2. Reframe not good enough to not there yet. You're not failing, you're learning. Every expert was once a beginner. Bianca didn't wake up flawless, she put in the work. And if Bianca had to practice, so do you. Give yourself permission to be a work in progress. Step 3. Celebrate the tiny wins. Did you get out of bed today? Win. Did you eat something that wasn't just cereal straight from the box? Win. Did you resist the urge to throw your laptop out the window during that Zoom meeting? Massive win. Progress isn't always dramatic. It's the small stuff adding up. Now, here's your call to action. Today, I want you to do one thing, just one. That proves that voice wrong. Send that email you've been overthinking. Wear that outfit you've been saving for a special occasion. Dance in your living room like no one's watching. Because no one is, unless your cat is judging you. Do something that reminds you, you are enough, exactly as you are. And if this resonated with you, let me know in the comments. What's one thing you're doing today to kick that not good enough feeling to the curb? And hey, if you want more of this kind of energy, hit subscribe, because you deserve reminders that you're awesome. And I'm happy to oblige. Now go out there and prove that voice wrong. You've got this.